Howdy, partners, and welcome back to the latest episode of Cherry Soda and Wrenches. We're at Esau's place today. We're going to be putting a bumper on LaFawnduh because she desperately needs one. I won't be doing too much because, as you can see, I broke my leg. But if you want to know how, we ain't going to tell you how. Leave a comment below with your guess, and maybe you'll win something, maybe you won't.
Are your toes always that big? Okay, so for the bumper we're going to need today, we need these parts. A wooden pallet with 2x6 boards. We need a lot of saw blades, PB blaster, a road sign.
Get rid of that before somebody dies.
Make sure you always have nails up.
I thought it was nails to the side.
Huh?
I thought it was nails to the side.
That's for tire slashing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wrong sport.
Is it those? Didn't bring it up.
Yep, that's all we needed to do. I'm not really sure if this works, but best safety tip that I got for this is be careful.
That's really hauling.
I think that's careful enough. I think we're gonna give it a break.
Getting hot. At least it's not pinching the blades like when we took off your step-up bars.
I don't think so. It's just not very powerful.
I was gonna say that you might burn up that blade or the motor. Maybe we can spray some coolant on it, but I don't think that's gonna help.
It is smoking. That's coming from the blade, so we could. The blade is pretty junk. That's probably why it was so cheap. But this stuff is also
Pretty thick.
pretty thick,
Yeah.
so. And I don't even know what brand this is. Yeah, unbranded. Yeah.
Now it's just about as cheap as it gets. With being branded.
But I think the main thing that's not working very well is this angle grinder. You feel it's overheating. It's old, and it was cheap when they got it. So
Yeah, that's
Water on it. It's electronic. It'll be fine. Just a little water on it to cool it off. Suck her up with cherry soda.
cool it down.
Makes everything better.
this stuff flammable.
We're about to find out.
Let's try it now. Well,
Dynamite. That's what we need.
yeah,
Throw the
dynamite.
dynamite in half.
I cut this boat in half.
My grandma could angle grind faster than you.
Put it in the fridge, let it cool down.
Run it over with LaFawnduh.
I'm glad we didn't do your step-up bars with this. That would have been a butt of a job.
I know.
Yeah.
Smells good, don't it?
Like, look at that. Whoever designed that needs a good swift kick in the pants.
What, the sign or the angle grinder?
Angle grinder.
Well, it was a road sign, so maybe we shouldn't have hit it before we took it. Hit it with us taking it out of the ground.
Well, we got more to cut though, because we want to make slits for these bars.
I think we might have to rethink that.
Huh?
Might have to rethink that.
I don't know.
Oh, I know what you're saying.
Now get on it.
I'll get on.
Get on too.
Good sound.
Hey, we got some.
Yeah. Okay, twist it back that way. There we go.
Hey.
Hey.
Good riddance. Right for once. I think.
Well, let's see what it looks like. Hold it, carry it over. It might be hot right there. Can you want an arm it or?
That's kind of small. But
I see what you're saying. Yeah, that's gonna be.
we're gonna have to take a pipe wrench or something and bend it a little bit.
It's working. It's denting that.
Is it working though?
No, it's gonna just dent the metal piece.
Yeah, it moves too much. Maybe if you hold it still, you
You need
might
to put it on the
That's why you
ground
put it on the ground so it don't shake.
and hit this.
Yeah,
Hit that.
Yeah, hit that.
probably easier to angle grind than cut out slots.
I mean, it'll might flip. I don't know if it'll flip up and kill you.
I got a bad idea.
I love bad ideas. Yeah.
Need an axe.
Oh, that's a really bad idea. You better.
better cut.
Is it sharp?
Sharp enough. Never leave home without one. Bad idea. It didn't work. Safety first. It's working. It's working. I think it is actually working.
Yep, it's working.
Hot dog. Once again, redneck ingenuity's working. Alright, it took a while to cut out these holes in the sign, just because we have a weak angle grinder. We also put these holes up here so we can attach with these bolts and nuts to the holes up here.
Okay, I'm lined up.
Make sure this goes down before you start putting other stuff on. It looks like it'll work.
Oh yeah, very nice.
Not hitting anything the whole way down.
Yeah, yep. That's what we want. That's how we do it.
That's pretty good, fellas.
Yeah. Yeah.
That is, if I do say myself, pretty good.
Yep. Yeah. Okay, so we got one bolt on, and it's connected to this wood piece back here. Now we're gonna try and get on this other one. I think. Let's hope. Here goes nothing.
I know you're hitting the metal, but
Yeah, I was gonna say, what does it look like from up here? Yeah.
there's still room to tighten it from the inside. Last time we got our socket stuck a bunch. It was catching on stuff. So we have to hand tighten it.
Extra board up here. Because we got a bolt here. Now we're going to finish adding on this bolt. There we go. That's probably tight enough.
Now finish the other side. That's good.
Okay, disclaimer, we did not wreck this in order to obtain it. We found it pre-wrecked. Okay, now, slam the hoodie. So show them what it's like. And
Yeah, buddy.
that'll stop anything. I'm sure.
Michigan deer, here we come.
Can't dodge it.
Ram it.